Alright folks, so today we're going to talk about some tips to address any kind of knee issues. Specifically for your patella right here. Your quads start to wrap around and they connect in front of this patella. And so we know that if a person has really tight quads, they tend to start to feel like this tugging, pulling sensation in front of their kneecap, right? Whether they're squatting or jumping or running, it's a pretty nagging kind of injury and a piece of pain to kind of deal with. And so we have that calf stretch. I'll post up a link to that video. But besides just stretching out that joint and that muscle, we also need to try to roll it out to massage out any kind of knots that are causing some type of adhesion around these muscles, or they might just keep that tension kind of localized in one spot. Okay, so I'm going to go over a couple of drills on how to foam roll your quads out, and it's just good general maintenance as well. Okay, so really generally, I'll face this way. You can target right at the top of your quads, and when you're rolling out, you really don't want to go too fast. You want to keep that pressure kind of constantly moving, and where you feel those tight spots, that's kind of generally where you want to spend a little bit more time. Okay, and so I can go straight up and down my quads. I can bias my weight towards one leg to put a little more pressure, and then I can also flex this leg and roll through those areas of restrictions or pressure, and then I can hold it on that tension spot and then slowly relax into it. As you're doing this, you want to keep your breathing pretty regular, and you definitely don't want to tense up even if it's super uncomfortable, because your goal here is to try to get that muscle to relax. Okay, so you can go straight down your quads. You can also rotate your leg to go inside or outside as well. So I'm here. If I tilt a little bit towards the outside, you'll find some different angles on those quads, and then also on the inside of your thigh. Okay, specifically today, I want you to try to target this inner knee area right here. This is where a big part of that quad muscle wraps around, and this is where we see a lot of tension in our clients. And so to specifically target this area, I'm going to send this roller out, and I'm going to lay my leg across it almost at a 45-degree angle. So I'm really targeting that inner knee side. And from here, it's going to feel awesome, right? So if you got tension here, we're staying kind of right on that blade of that knee, and just really small motions forward and back. Right? You're just going to try to massage out those knots and those trigger points and those tension spots. After you roll out one side, always make sure you retest and see you can feel a difference from side to side. If you do, you made some positive change. Just keep on practicing and just stay consistent to it. Just 2 minutes per side is enough to get you started, but more time that you can put into it, the better. Cool. Thanks for watching.